Axel of Symmetry, where math finally clicks. Welcome to the season finale of Axel of Symmetry. Every graph we've drawn so far was a straight line. Today, for the first time, we bend one, meet the quadratic. The star of the day is y equals x squared. Feed it a number and it answers with the square. 1 gives 1, 2 gives 4, 3 gives 9. Do you feel how the outputs speed up? A straight line grows by the same amount at every step. This rule doesn't each step up grows more than the last. That accelerating growth is what bends the graph. Compare it with our old friend, the line y equals 2x at x equals 10. The line has climbed to 20, but the square has rocketed to 100. Curves beat lines in the long run, every single time. Let's plot it and see. Dot by dot, the squares land on the grid, and when we connect them, we don't get a line at all. We get a smooth, elegant U-shape called a parabola. Now watch what negatives do. -2 squared is +4, the same output as +2. Minus times minus is plus, so both sides of the curve rise identically. That gives the parabola its superpower, perfect mirror symmetry. Fold it along the y-axis, and the two halves match exactly. The fold line is the axis of symmetry, and yes, that's the symmetry this channel is named after. The lowest point, right where the curve turns around, is the vertex. For y equals x squared it sits at the origin, the one place both halves share. And if you flip the rule to y equals -x squared, the whole curve flips upside down, a frown instead of a smile. That is the arc of every thrown ball, sketched in the air by gravity itself. Parabolas are nature's favorite curve. Throw a ball, and gravity bends its path into an upside-down parabola. Satellite dishes and telescope mirrors are parabolas too, the shape that focuses everything to one point. Your turn, pause, and predict. What is -4 squared? Minus times minus is plus, so it's +16. If you said 16, the symmetry has already clicked for you. 16, and notice +4 squared is also 16. Two different inputs, one shared output. The mirror at work one final time. Let's recap the finale. Y equals x squared bends into a parabola. Negative inputs give positive outputs, which mirrors the curve across its axis of symmetry. And the turning point at the bottom is called the vertex. And that wraps Season 2. From tidy expressions to curved graphs, you've come incredibly far. I'm proud of you. Subscribe to Axel of Symmetry and keep the math clicking. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Axel of Symmetry and keep the math clicking.